Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Data Spike. This powerful tool is designed for real-time data analysis, helping you quickly identify anomalies and significant trends within your datasets. Its intuitive interface ensures a straightforward setup, allowing you to begin monitoring your critical information with minimal effort. Data Spike empowers you to gain immediate insights and maintain a clear overview of your data's health and performance. To set up your first data spike, begin by connecting your preferred data source, whether it's a database or an API. Next, define the specific metrics you wish to monitor, such as daily sales volume or server load. Finally, establish clear thresholds for anomaly detection. For instance, you might set a 20% deviation from the average as a trigger. This ensures you're alerted only when it truly matters. Once Data Spike is active, you'll receive instant notifications whenever a significant data anomaly is detected. Upon receiving an alert, review the comprehensive anomaly report, which provides crucial historical context. Utilize the built-in diagnostic tools to investigate the root cause of the spike, helping you understand why the event occurred. This allows for swift and informed decision-making to address any underlying issues. To optimize your data spike experience, consider customizing alert sensitivity to minimize false positives, ensuring you only focus on critical events. Integrate Data Spike with your existing operational tools for automated responses, streamlining your workflow. Furthermore, leverage its predictive analytics capabilities to anticipate future spikes, allowing you to proactively address potential issues before they escalate. These advanced features enhance your data monitoring strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.